So good morning. Literally just got to work and everything. I'm gonna have food, but I think I microwaved this thing too long. Yeah, but today was hectic. This morning was hectic, sorry. What I had to do was take out all the dogs, give all the dogs food and water. Keep in mind, there's 3 puppies, 3 miniature schnauzers, and my big dog, Sasha. So, it was a lot. Got it done. Also had to take out the dogs, give them, the puppies, take out them, give them medicine, give them food, make sure that they pooed and peed, clean their bathroom, and get to work on time. So, A-okay on everything. So, I am just exhausted. So, my brother's probably going to come by in the middle of the day because he had soccer practice. He's going to come by and work with me. So, yeah. And I got to also charge one of our orders. So, my little brother's dope. He brought us coffee and a McGriddle. I'm going to be fat today. Thank you, Mowdy. Food was on me since he got breakfast. He got shortstop. Pinocchio. Love you, buddy.
Ahorita no.
Ahorita no. Oh, I just got back from my aunt's house. I just took these out of an old computer we have over there. They're RAM sticks. Not much. They're like from 2007, but they're gonna go into this thing. I don't have a lot of computer parts, so this is gonna help it out, even if it's the tiniest bit. It's something special, so you're about to see me open this thing up, put the RAM sticks in, and do a couple other stuff. So this is an old HP. I don't know, it's like 4 or 5 years old, maybe a little less, but the thing I love about this computer is literally all you have to do is unscrew this little thing. Come on, buddy. Okay, you unscrew it. Can't lose that. You literally just pop it off. That's amazing. Okay, so the RAM stick should go right here. What you do is, if you've never worked on a computer before, you pull these back. Right there. Grab your RAM stick. And you just apply a little bit of pressure. Give me just a second to see if it works. It actually works. Hopefully, fatal error could processing.
Chris!
What's up?
Vete, mi amor, ya llegó la cena.
Yeah, boy, hold up. No way. So this is a look into the past. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to update. And this thing only has 160 gigabytes of internal storage. Crap. I might not even update. It'll serve its purpose. It's made out of spare parts though. I don't even have a mouse right now. Whoa. Windows Home. Vista Basic. Oh shoot. This thing had someone's before it. Crap. Okay, so my ambitions have just crashed and burned. I'm gonna have to fix this. Great. could have possibly been the problem? So I'm gonna eat and watch the fight. Looks like it's locked. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way.
One-time Thurman, trainer Ben Getty looking down.